Hello everybody and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 156. Today we look at a kitchen sink type of website with tools for almost everything, Icecream apps. Who doesn't like ice cream? With so many flavors and varieties, there's something for everybody. And you know what's better than ice cream? Free ice cream. Icecream Apps is a fantabulous website that offers 9 tools for free. You may not have heard of Icecream Apps, but they also run the wildly popular PDF Candy, which we featured in Tech Tuesday number 116. Now, this video is just an overview of what Icecream Apps has to offer. To learn more specifics about each tool, check out each product's page and look for details. Or even check out Icecream Apps' own YouTube page, which I will link in the description. They have several narrated videos on each product, even split into playlists by products. The best part? The narrator sounds like that lady from Watch Mojo.
PDF editor makes it simple to edit text in a PDF. Not only can you delete or type text, but you can also change the text color, font size, and more.
We're looking at lesser-known facts about Willard Carroll Smith Jr. Yes, that's his full name.
Okay, so back to the apps. Icecream Apps are free, yes, free, downloadable apps that you install on your computer. They're not mobile apps or extensions, except I think for the candy versions, like Video Candy or PDF Candy. It's a different site, but same company. You download 8 of the 9 apps for free and can run them offline. Each of these 9 apps has a page with more info, like a presentation, list of features, and screenshots. Let's go into them really quickly. The PDF editor is robust with its ability to edit PDF text, manage pages, edit objects, annotate PDFs, add stamps, even password protect them. You can draw on them, combine multiple files, and extract pages as well, all free. The video editor is pretty basic and reminds me of the old Windows Movie Maker. However, it has most of what your kids would need for basic video editing, including transitions, trimming, effects, cropping, audio and music, titles, and even some image adjustments. It supports multiple video formats, rotations, speed, and even lets you specify output resolution and aspect ratio. The screen recorder is similar to Screencastify with a 5-minute recording limit and WebM file type, but it has a whole host of features like trimming, hotkey displays, scheduled recordings, webcam overlays, and annotations. Unlike Screencastify, it also lets you record a portion of the screen or window instead of just the entire screen or window. Their ebook reader lets you read EPUB, Mobi, and other ebook formats. You can cultivate many books in the program or create your own library. Of course, it also has features like bookmarks, highlighting, translations, annotations, searching, reading progress, and more. Slideshow Maker. Remember that old program on Windows called Photo Story? Well, it's back with Slideshow Maker. Just drop in photos into the hopper, add music and text, adjust your transitions, and export a video file. You can even burn it to a DVD or CD if anyone uses those anymore. But anyways, this is a perfect way to make highlights reels for your school trips, your school year, an athletics team, a project, whatever. Their PDF converter lets you convert both to and from PDF formats. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it should be noted that you can perform OCR or text recognition on the files. PDF split and merge is another straightforward tool. This and converter can also be done with PDF Candy, by the way, which is their website-based service, but these are downloadable programs that do it offline. Their image resizer tool is really helpful as it resizes images in batches. It's pretty good as you can add your own logo as a watermark and even estimate the file size before you resize it. But if you want to work in large numbers and you don't want to pay, Windows has a free resizer tool that you can still find on the web. Maybe we'll do a Tech Tuesday video on that sometime. The last tool is Video Candy, which is the only one that's an online service, and I note that it also has the word candy in it, so I suspect that their candy products are online ones. This means you have to upload the video to the site to perform the actions. I wouldn't try this with really large videos or really long videos. The tools are 100% free though, and they consist of the following: compression, trimming, merging, cropping, resizing, stop motion, music, speed change, muting, reversing, rotating, looping, flipping, and even converting to a GIF. There's a lot of tools here if you just need to perform a few global actions to a video. The tools are simpler than EasyGIF, which we covered in our last Tech Tuesday video, but also have less options and control. Now, every app has free and premium features, which you can see if you click on the Upgrade to Pro button on each app's page. Most of these paid features are pretty good, but you might find that you can live without them. If you really like this service, then you may decide to upgrade, and for a limited time, you can get Icecream Apps Pro for 70% off. That's 9 products in one, and that's a lifetime license, so you don't rent your software, you buy it. Full disclosure, Icecream Apps doesn't even know who I am. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. I just think it's a decent product, and I think that a 70% off deal is actually pretty awesome. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button? Click the bell icon to receive email notifications, leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below, share this video with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.